Hey, Nonna Pia, what's all this? What are you making today?
Farfalle with the ham and peas. I got everything at ShopRite.
All from ShopRite you got?
Yes.
Bowl and basket?
Yes.
It's your favorite brand?
Yes.
You got the farfalle, you got the
Farfalle,
oil,
I got the oil,
the
I got
peas,
the peas,
and you got a whole
cut
ham
a
here.
ham.
Nice. You're going to show us how to make it?
Yes. Cut the ham first. So juicy.
So
nice.
juicy.
Yeah. I got to take the fat off.
Perfect.
I have to cut a little piece of ham, a little cube of ham. That oil, and fry that little onions.
Be sure, don't cry.
I put in the oil.
Uh-huh.
Fry a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Now I put the peas in. A little bit salt, not too much.
So boil the pasta, water. Does it look good now?
Yes, you want to try. See?
Let me try a little bit. Hey! Let me try one. It's perfect.
Okay, now
What?
I'm going to put the ham.
Okay. It's easy. 1, 2, 3. You do it.
Yeah. Stuff over
Woo! Time to put the pasta in. Farfalle.
Farfalle, it's what I make all the time, this kind of for that.
Pasta goes in the water.
Down here, this is all done.
All right.
Now this is all done.
Now we drain. All right.
Now I put this on.
Now we put it all together.
Daniel,
What?
it's time to eat now.
All right. You don't have to tell me twice.
I'm going to bring it upstairs.
Let's do it. I'm ready. Che bello. Thank you, Nonna.